Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you might be watching from. I am Okulora and I'm broadcasting from Enugu. Something very, very painful happened and there is every reason for us to go over the issue and know where we go from here. Host a watch party. Copy the link to your friends on Twitter, those on Instagram, those on Messenger, and of course, those on WhatsApp. Tag your friends who are living in northern part of Africa where Libya is situated. Something terrible, something unbelievable, something unthinkable, something that causes tears, something that causes bleeding happened in Libya. An Igbo lady was decimated, was violated. An Igbo lady was beaten beyond repair by Igbo men in Libya. You talk about Libya today, you talk about atrocity, you talk about things that are unbelievable. Our Igbo lady was almost beaten to death. And from what I can understand, she was sold in Libya as a slave and somehow she fell in love with a guy. Some of us don't understand what we mean by sex trafficking. Sex trafficking means I'm going to take you to Libya. You are going to prostitute until you pay me back $20,000 or $10,000. There are Igbo men, there are Igbo women in Igbo land today selling our women to go and prostitute in diaspora and pay them money. You can imagine how your private part will look after you must have had sex and raise up to $20,000. These things are happening in UAE. These things are happening in Ghana. Wow, Jesus Christ. Life in Nigeria is unbelievable. I've switched on the generator. So where do we go from here? I told our people in United Arab Emirates to give me contacts of the traffickers in UAE. But our people are scared of evil. That is why we are where we are today. You cannot confront them due to fear that is coming from the pit of hell. Today, I am not asking our people in Libya to go and apprehend that guy. There is a photo, a picture. There is a video of a certain guy, a fair guy. They said it's from Anambra State. It is circulating on social media. More than 20 people in Libya sent me a picture of that guy. They say this is the guy that brought the girl to prostitute in Libya. I'm not going to be in a hurry or in a rush to post the picture because independently, I cannot verify. To avoid character assassination, I cannot post the picture until I can verify, authenticate, validate that that guy was actually the guy who is behind the massacre, the mayhem unleashed on our sister. If you are not from Libya, please don't call. If you are not in Libya, please do not call. You can only call when you are in Libya because we want to know what transpired in Libya and what we are going to do. I want us to look for the girl. That's what I want us to do today. Do not look for the guy. Look for the girl, the battered girl, the violated girl, the girl decimated. You know, at some point, these irredeemable Igbo boys, these bastards of Igbo boys, when I tell you that Igbo people are wicked, you don't believe. They told the girl, open your private parts. And they were mercilessly, tirelessly, they were stupidly hitting her private parts. If I had 9 months, some of them accepted to go and work as a shower due to the economic state of Nigeria. Nigeria is a country where the plights of youth are not respected. Nigeria is a place where people are dying, people are committing suicide. where people barely afford 3 square meal. And the elected officials are there gallivanting. They are living flamboyant lives. You can imagine. You tell me reason why citizens of a place as blessed as Federal Republic of Nigeria will be prostituting in Ghana. You go to Senegal to do a shower. You go to Libya, a war-ravaged Libya, a war-torn Libya. You go there to do a shower. Let me quickly show you the video. Where is my other phone? I don't even know where I kept the other phone. Jesus Christ, I don't know where we go from here. I need to get the other phone. I am confused. You can see the stress I'm passing through due to NEPA. And no electricity or poor generation or distribution of electricity is some of the reason why our people run away from Nigeria. Let me quickly show you the video again. For those who are yet to see the video, you need to see. She's begging, brother Biko, daddy Biko, and they are hitting her mercilessly. Igbo boys in Libya. Jesus Christ. Brother Biko, they couldn't listen. To make things worse, they pour water to make things worse. You can see. Ifendi Bonemi Befa. And there are about 4 men there hitting a defenseless lady in Libya, far away, north of Africa. How do we find this girl in Libya? We need to quickly deport this girl from Libya. Igbo people in Libya, how can I get the contact of this girl? This girl needs to be evacuated from Libya before weekend. We need to get this lady out of Libya. Look at her face. Look at the blood. Look at the pain, the anger, the devastation in her face. If you can say abomanya mlibu na ona asu Igbo. Ona asu umunnia biko. Umunnia, the men charged to protect the women. About 4 of them. They continue to hit her. They will go to her private part. How do we get this lady? We need to bring her back from Libya immediately. They are pouring water. I'm going to lose my respect for Igbo people in Libya if I fail to get or know the whereabouts of this lady. I'm going to this girl. I'm going to do it myself. But how can we get her? How do we do that? You see, her private part. They are hitting her. Jesus. They say she's going to die there after committing atrocity. What are we going to do? Let's go to Libya and see. Caller from Libya. It's not a good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Libya.
My brother, if I can, I will heard your name. For that particular video that circulated social media, I always if I'm in Libya. Well, 191, my 191 okay. The girl particular enemy far. The girl is a bad day in your work, according to the story. But more, I'm not a state on the area. So along the line, the guy letters here without no payment. Where got the letter? So both here now treat here like that. And this guy now, it's like a Kemolifa. After ya we make a Igbo name, ya only Imo State.
Emeka Imo State.
Yeah, so it's my Imo State. The guy, even this morning now, one of my friends meet here in Zaria, about Oku Bridge. But the guy didn't confront him because the guy is very evil. He can kill anybody as he wants.
So, brother, listen. You are telling me that in the Igbo na Libya na to that guy Egwu. Why? Who does that?
We are trying to mobilize people. See, my brother, you can't. Here is Libya. Here is not Nigeria or America.
Brother, why not take the clip to the police? Why not take the clip and every evidence to the police?
Yesterday, police went to you have a connection house. We have busted that place. Released many years. Understand? We arrested a wife. Yeah, that one is called Libya wife. I don't know this real wife from Nigeria because this one is the wife you know from here. We arrested her yesterday. So understand. So the Libya police have done their work, and the guy ran away yesterday evening. He ran away when he had this information. Because this video now is Shilaka or you the guy circulated to other people. Because the guy I know Amadem Basuda, when you are posted here, he on the make people tell on a very butcher go money boom mad nail madna, and they win Nigeria. Oh yeah, I'm on a full rifle, AK-47, army uniform. So he can do any high. Nobody can confront him like that. It's not another person you can confront. Understand? He has been old. He has been over more than 15 years over here. You know everything. He speak Arab more than you. Even if you want to confront him, you know he can speak Arab more than us. Even about us. That's why we are afraid to confront him this morning when we saw it in this area. But we are trying to mobilize people to trace him wherever he is in this country. We must get him arrested. That he's not even arrested because this guy is already dead. We will kill him. This one is just a little thing that is happening. People say such a small thing. This one is a little thing now. It's not a big
how can
deal.
we want to bring the girl back to Nigeria. How can we get the girl? We want to bring her back to Nigeria immediately.
The girl is still in Sabah right now. We are trying to contact get the information of her number. The thing now is that bringing her to Nigeria now is to be a difficult thing because flights are not. I don't think there's flights here for the moment now to bring her back. She have to wait for like 3 months or 2 months before she could bother a flight back to Nigeria. This is the problem we are facing here in Libya. This guy is a criminal. He's using it and making and building house, buying cars in Nigeria, selling our people over here. He's doing it for a long time. So, Claudia, we need to capture this guy. We need to know everything, even the Igbo meeting, Igbo meeting in this area here. We are trying to make sure that we capture him alive, not to be killed. When we capture him, we make video of him and we will still post it online. So that people will believe. They will confess of things.
I trust our people in Libya. We need to capture the guy and show him.
So there's no hidden place. There's no way you don't need to. Well, everywhere in this country, we have every APIOC members in this country. Nowhere to run to. So we catch him. Wherever, let him continue running. So let everybody just calm down. Don't stress it to small.
I believe you. Thank you very much, my good brother. Thank you very much. I believe you. Thank you very much. He said that our people are going to capture Emeka alive. Emeka is a militant. Emeka is a militia. Emeka is wearing AK-47 around Libya, terrorizing people. Only a terrorist will do what Emeka did to a sister. And I'm soliciting that we should somehow bring the girl back. But our brother is saying that it's going to be very, very difficult at this point due to our COVID-19 restrictions. He's not sure if it's possible to board a flight from Benghazi or Tripoli to Abuja or Lagos at this point. Caller from Libya, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, brother.
Please move away from noise. Where you are is noisy. Move away from noise.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Can you hear me now?
It's better now. Go ahead. Thank you very much.
Okay. Yeah. Please, I'm calling from Libya also. Please, I heard one of my brother there calling also. He said he's an Igbo man, but he's in Zawiya. Yes. That he saw the man. So what I want to say now, first of all, that person that is calling now that is on call now. I need his number. How can you see somebody that committed something and you let him go like that, saying he can speak Arab more than you? What nonsense Arab can he speak? Please, I need any means to have that guy's number. So let me call him so that let me go and see him so he can tell me where for that guy. Anywhere I see that guy, I will hold him. Which Arab? The Arab on us.
Yes.
So, and for the girl now, I don't think we can see the girl again because after Methodism, Adam saw no Lego that girl.
Sorry.
After that nonsense, I'm sure that girl has been sold yesterday. Come for that video, I swear to God, I cried so much. Oh yeah, I have about 5 of them in this kind of thing. Even many people never enough comedy on this thing. I have their WhatsApp number. I'll send them their pictures. This is what these men are doing with our young girls. Please, you guys should do something on this. Since then, nothing to show. They didn't do anything. But I think the best thing to do on this issue, even for IMEA, is for our native daughters. Because since we make this kind of thing, since all bandit lay a course on them, they stop it. Can you get me?
Yes.
So, yeah, since Oba Bini Lagos on them that anybody that use Bini girl to do such a thing, we face so they stop it. Now they face some Igbo girls and they are small Igbo girls. If you come here, brother, you will cry, you will shed tears. Even me, as I'm talking to you, I shed tears. I have helped many people, I've heard many of our, I have 2 girls to come out of the place they sold them. Sorry. And they are free now. Most of them have gone back to Nigeria. But this very one yesterday, please, this person that is on call now, I need his number. I'm in Zaria where he is, so that let me call him. That idiot. Let me go and hold him. I'm not afraid of Arab. Which Arab can he speak? I have police that I can use to arrest him. And I want to apprehend this idiot and make a live video, beat him up very well.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. I don't know where we'll go from here. It's okay. I'm going to do that after the program. It's okay. I'm going to speak to the brother after the program. My main concern is that they are saying that it's impossible at this point to fly the girl back to Nigeria. And this brother is saying that possibly after this decimation, this brutality, this sin or unforeseen circumstance, the idiot of a guy from Imo State will probably have sold the girl. And in Libya. Somebody might buy you for $2,000. You are going to prostitute until you pay back $15,000 or $10,000. What is going to be the fate of your body? The sensitive parts of your body, your private parts. After you must have slept with over 200 men, 200 violent and irresponsible Arab men to raise up to $15,000. To pay an idiot standing as your boss, as your madam. I don't know why our people are too fearful. Our people are not behaving the way typical Igbo men behave or Igbo women behave. You risk your life to go to Libya, but you cannot stand before your elected officials in Igbo land and ask them questions of your future. You can't stand and ask your senator what he's doing with constituency allocation. You can't ask your governor about state allocation and IGR. You can't do that. You can't do that. But you violently assault a brother, kill a sister in Libya. It's happening in Ghana. They say that there are thousands of Igbo women prostituting in Ghana of yesterday. Ekwaba. Our women are living in Bacha. They are living in bushes in Ghana. They are prostituting. They are constituting nuisance in Ghana. These are repercussions, consequences. These things are as a result of poor governance, of governors, of senators, of presidency, ministers that can never, ever reason or think of the plight of the people. They can never do that. They can never, and I don't know what to do. Our people are not dancing to my rhythm. They are not as brave as I am. Arusi, Indonesia, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, brother.
Because brother, okwu ifra na eme na obirebe. Ka I trace the address ebe this guy in Imo State. The only way to solve this problem bụ ka trace ebe ha in Imo State because ore ụmụaka ọ na-ere eke ọ na-eji ego eme ihe na buy.
Yes.
Ka trace nne na nna ya ọ bụ nke ndị uwe ojii ka ndị be anyị ga-achọ nne na nna ya ga-ebe ha ụmụnne ya.
Brother, this is the point. Onwe picture na circulate na social media. There is noise in your background. There is noise. I want us to be very clear.
Yes,
can you move away?
I'm hearing you.
Onwe picture na circulate, but I need to be sure that the guy Bonye commit a crime to avoid character assassination. We need to be very, very sure.
Thank you.
That is what I'm trying to do. I need to be able to validate, to authenticate before I can do something.
On the Libya get information, yeah.
They need to bring the right information.
Yeah. Abun kisu ndu woji in the buy. Can the buy ga ije ya? Ndu woji was hana na buy. Can the buy ga ije na o wobe. Ebe obu no onyi mo ko obu nne na nna na umunne ka aturu go ha ga do ha ma henwa na eme.
Yes.
No ha ma hendo na eme ndu buy. One guy na Chukwuka esi talk the report ndo oye ha na eme na buy before. He na did ya before move to talk. He ha na eme ụmụaka buy. For what?
If in her private part. Oh, now you're Biko. Oh, now see you Biko, daddy, Biko, brother, Biko.
Biko.
I'm going to number one, so one negative one, you know, Tim Unambozo. Now, say, brother, Biko, one Biko. You continue.
Let me just say you. Highest, Ego was you with yesterday, and you have more 50,000 naira, more 60,000. You have your bosses here with there. Have taken her so serious. Let me just tell you. This guy anyway on
I will wait for our people in Libya to bring a proper information, and then collectively we are going to decide on what to do. We cannot continue to watch our people lead our women astray. It's not possible. Thank you very much. Where do we go? I love to talk to people in India the more. If you are not people in Libya, please. I love to talk to them the more. I also love to talk to our women, please. If men are going to wait, let's hear from the women. And of course, people in Libya. I am more concerned about them today. The women and people in Libya. Good morning.
Hello, Uncle.
No, good morning.
Hello, Uncle.
Good morning.
Yeah, good. I don't understand your language, but the way I see that thing, I saw it this morning. I sent it to WhatsApp to people. Yes. If they can please help this girl.
Yes.
That's over. It's too much. It's too much. And please, if they can get the family of this man, let them go and arrest all the family. By the time they arrest the family, the mother, the parents.
Sister, my main concern now is how we can bring the girl out of Libya. There is no way the girl will continue to stay there and survive the trauma. They were hitting her private parts. They will kill her. I don't know how I can get the girl so we can fly her out.
Are you sure the girl is even still alive? They've beaten her that she cannot breathe again. She cannot breathe. Look at the way they are beating her. And also, please, Uncle, don't give anybody any number.
I'm not.
They might be watching your program.
Yeah.
Because somebody was saying, give me one number. I want to call that person. They might be watching this program.
I know.
Maybe it's the one that even told.
No, I am not afraid of the bad guys. In fact, I love to deal with the bad guys.
No, you know the person that calls.
I know. I'm not giving anybody's number. It's my policy.
Don't give anybody
I don't give anybody's number without their consent. Yes, they might.
They might be watching.
They might be watching. They are watching. Not even they might. The bad guys are watching. The idiots in Libya are watching. But I'm Okula Randi. I am fearless. I sold my fear many years ago.
You have to do so. We have to stop all this nonsense.
I will.
We have to. It's not about money. They need to. If they can do PayPal, we'll pay. Let them do PayPal for the girl. So we can get her out of that.
Money is not the problem. We don't know where the girl is. If she's still alive or no, we don't know. If the girl is alive within 1 hour, we are going to process her return, but nobody knows where she is. And I'm concerned.
Oh, I thought they said so. I thought they said it's with the police.
We don't know. I am going to continue to wait until we get the right information to avoid being scammed. Somebody might be there and say, bring money. They will scam us. Our people are that bad.
No. Like if the first thing, if they can get the information of that man, those people, let them go straight to the family. Let them go and hold those families too. When they hold them hostage, they will call the man will come out. He will release the girl. They said, did they release the girl? So far they can know the man. If he didn't release the girl, they should not release the family.
Thank you very much.
They should not release the family. Yes, please.
The bandit is not bigger than all of us. He can never be bigger than all of us. Igbo people in diaspora, all of us are echoing in one voice. We want justice for the girl. I don't know her name. Somebody said she is from Anambra State. And another thing is, how do we discourage our women from going to Libya? How do we stop our women from going to Ghana, to Senegal, to Kuwait, to Bahrain to go and do a shower? Our women are losing it. And it's because of unemployment in Nigeria. Instead of risking your life, onye Arab bi owere amụta igi n'ọnụ onye nke a mee enwekede ịtọ na sleep with a girl. I've seen a video in Italy. More than 5 Italian men were having sex violently with one Nigerian girl, maybe from Edo State. I saw the video. I cried for 6 hours. I saw the video around 12 p.m. until 6 p.m. I couldn't believe my eyes. They were violently hitting and having sex with a Nigerian girl. She went to Italy probably from Libya. She went there due to poor situation, due to ill state of Nigeria, due to the fact that you go to school in Nigeria. You serve Nigeria, you end up being unemployed, you end up being unable to cater for yourself. You end up being unable to buy sanitary pad for your monthly period. A lot of people are in that situation in Nigeria. I don't know where we'll go from here. I don't know, but I am not happy at all. Brother from Lagos, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Yeah, Okoro and Igbo.
One day, good morning.
Good morning to you. That message from the normal call in PK.
Yeah.
But I don't want to identify my name now.
No, don't worry.
I'm going to ask.
Are you there? Our brother is not coming through. It's not coming through. Where do we go? Where do we go? Let's go to United Arab Emirates. Brother from UAE. Good morning.
Yeah, good afternoon, my brother.
Good morning, brother.
Yeah, I'm from United Arab Emirates. So,
thank you.
I think the parents or the family of the guy named Miha, if we are sure that it is the guy, should be apprehended. When they are apprehended, to help get the guy. Because if they are under custody, the parents or the relatives are under custody, he must be produced.
Yeah, brother, we need to be sure. Only picture now circulate. I need to be sure that not that guy. If we find about character assassination, not the guy be famous now. We need to be sure.
That is what happened. Yeah. So if we are sure, that is what is going to be done. Or if there is something has in the village to be raised down, because this is it's too bad. This happening all over the places.
And brother, in UAE, they say these things are happening in the UAE where you are. A lot of Igbo women are being sold for prostitution there.
It happens. They even go before the gods to do some sacrifices, as I heard. I've not seen. You understand?
Yes.
They go before the gods to make sure to agree that she must pay a ransom at from a certain time, from this time to this time. You understand? So it happens.
We are going to do everything possible. Thank you very much. And I'm appealing to our people in Libya. Please take the video, send the video to all the police stations in Libya. Tell Libyan immigration, Libyan custom, Libyan air force, Libyan military, Libyan government that we are looking for this girl. The only way this girl is going to remain alive is if we can bring the girl back to Nigeria. She's an Igbo girl. She needs to come back to Igbo land. If that girl continues to stay in Libya, she will probably die. That is if she is still alive, because what she passed through, it's only few people that are going to survive the pain. You know, the fear, the trauma. It was too much. I do not know where we'll go from here. Obviously, I do not know where we go from here. I'm a man and I'm shivering. You can imagine a lady what she will be passing through at this point. Let's go to Spain and see caller from Spain. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My brother.
Good morning.
I saw what you posted on Facebook quite minutes ago before you deleted it.
Facebook deleted, not me. Facebook did the deleting.
Yeah. Okay, Facebook. My brother, that act is too horrible. It's too horrible. Nobody choose to live such life. But it's like this generation of these days. Even in Spain, in everywhere, they like what will I say? Is sex is more important than human love. There's no way we can practice this. Igbo people, everywhere you go, this is a sex problem. If anywhere you go, is either betrayal. What is happening? The generation now is looking into sex. They are not looking into agape love. What is the love of human being? Where are we heading to? My brother, this person that treat this girl, or compare it with a sister.
It's a shame. We have sold our conscience for money because of money.
Please, I ask that person should be provide in any way, even trace to the village. Anyhow is it possible? Let us trace the person to the place, to the family of that person. Even though you want that, it's often known that the guy sponsored to Nigeria to green Libya, doesn't warrant to do such. My brother.
Brother, child or sex trafficking is a crime against international law. In international law, it's a crime. So, but we just need to be sure. We need to identify the original guy so we don't end up accusing the wrong person.
Yeah, my brother, do you know one thing? Sometimes
the call is not clear. The call is breaking. It is not clear at all. I don't know if the fault is from his side or my side. I cannot say what is going on. Our brother from Lagos, please call back. I love to talk to you, but network is posing a big threat. I love to talk to the brother in Lagos if we can get him back on board, but it's difficult. You need to continue to call. Calls are coming in hundreds, so it is very difficult. Caller from Libya, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Okurola.
Good morning, Wanda. Are you there? Good morning. Good morning.
Hello.
I can hear you. Good morning if you are there. Can you hear me? Good morning. No, I don't know what is going on here. Caller from Germany, good morning.
Okurola.
Wanda, good morning.
Hello, Okurola.
Good morning. Can you hear me? Good morning.
Hello.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm having technical issue at this critical stage. Again, people cannot hear me, and if they cannot, I will have to sign out. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello.
I cannot hear you, brother. Good morning. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I don't know what is going on here. Let's go to Germany again. Caller from Germany, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning. Can you hear me?
Good morning, Okurola.
Good morning, brother. In Anuonum Keta.
Okurola. Emani ife melo bona, That girl. Masina, that girl. Ife the guy emailu adiroma. Ife the guy email adiroma. But all those are our girls. When you are telling them, don't go to this kind of place. You know the girl, you know the lady I am because she's not more a girl. She's a lady. How to go matured. You know what I had an idea. If am I a baby for you to tell me what to do? Okay, Narota, I'm going to say because I is one at that girl in the Naya. No, when you make one arrange because I use what these girls now, but a young
brother, are you blaming the lady? Are you blaming the lady?
If I now we may sometimes if I may all past things somebody make if eyelash Juliana, if what I read. I'm a good informal do mal. I'm a good if do good. Okay, but try all these our girls, they should stop. They should stop going to. I'm another mother I like if I'm not bitter truth. They should stop for traveling. Only if we find something to do in Nigeria. Usually, boutique nobody. I'm on Libya Canada before Gawa Libya. I'm on Libya Canada.
This is not time for blame.
They will tell everything. I have where the condition. I agree. Get all no reach the agreement. They will fuck away up. It's like that.
I have to restart my phone. I cannot agree with our brother in Stuttgart. In this time of fear, in this critical stage, in this time of uncertainty, of pain that people are bleeding globally due to the 2 minutes plus video that is there for. I think it's very, very wrong for every reason in the world for you to be blaming the women at this point. We should be blaming our fellow men. We should be blaming more than 4 or 5 men or 6 men who put a girl in a room and decimated her. They even started hitting her private parts. For all the reasons in the world, it is very wrong, and coming to find a way somehow to justify what the man did is very wrong. I can assure you. I don't think we should tolerate that at this critical point. Next time we can talk about the women. We'll try to sensitize the women. But this is not the time to do that. My reason for this broadcast is Igbo people in Libya. How do we find this girl? Even when it's impossible to fly from Libya to Nigeria, she can fly from Libya to Tokyo, to anywhere, and then back to Nigeria, or land in Niger, or Benin Republic, or Ghana. We need to save a sister. That girl is suffering trauma. That girl might not survive it. If we fail to put all hands on deck and bring her back from Libya, Libya is becoming a bad news. In Igbo community there are becoming unbearable. Caller from Malaysia, good morning. I don't know what is going on. Let's go to Malaysia again. What is happening? Let's go to India. Caller from India, good morning. Hello, are you there? Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello, Flora.
Good morning, brother.
Flora.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, go ahead.
Morning. Because how are you thinking? This our Afghan.
Oh, it's not clear. It's not clear at all. I don't know why my stars is becoming wrong these days. I don't know why each time we have a critical issue to go over, we are going to have issue with connection. Caller from Sweden, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, brother. Make your voice a little bit louder. Oh, go ahead. Yes, clearly. I can hear you. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, we down for no. My friend in South Africa, we send in the video. What I go? So the thing about my memory. So we find we will call up all before. We see 80% the levels on certain picture. We're already people. Maybe now the guy gives some information. So I feel like I'm on the recognize the person name.
Yeah, brother, I have seen picture. Listen, brother. Switch off your listening device. It's coming back. Let's talk on the phone. Oh, switch off your listening device.
Yeah, a
lot of people have sent me a picture of one guy like that, but we need to be sure to avoid character assassination. I need to verify that Nonya sent the picture, no Yamerifa. We've seen in many cases whereby the wrong person is being pointed at. I have the picture, but I cannot just post. I need to find a way to verify. But my main concern is not even the boy. We need to find a way to get the girl, bring the girl back to Igbo land. If she remains in Libya, she will probably die. Libya is not conducive. Libya is something else. In terms of Igbo people there, they do a lot of crime. They commit atrocity. And it doesn't move them. Exactly. Some of them, they don't have emotion. They don't have conscience. They have no integrity to protect. They can kill a sister or a brother because of money.
I know. And even now, gonna get now so far, so same tribe, same
brother, they couldn't.
And the thing they move any inch. It stop the atrocity to knock. And the ndala did the girl na dear. Ukandoji. And at the end of the day, if I find a fight over here, if you know Buddha, only gonna ade moku no Buddha, onyoji ibe. If you get Biafra, because at the end of the day, the biggest problem in Biafra you got that. So the thing that we can manage. If I tell you no one no, you need we do anything. No to go here. Munga after care. We look good pictures. They were not their shrine. By the time I have to wear there, this guy Ona kai Centuria, they want a family. And by the time I put a family, Uchi Abia, Omana, na Miyokune Bumbe.
Oh, do something.
o nwere ebe o si pụta nna anyị ma ebe anyị si wee pụta mana kịta Olof gọ ọfịrị nọ Libya buru a na-asị AK-47 he come up France mana at the end of the day by the time ọ na-akpọ ya arahụ ụla by the time ebe nwe ịnwụ na ntị n'abalị na anwụ na-ata soldier.
Thank you very much. Caller from Sweden. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Some of you do not know that some Nigerian girls in a dinner with Nkita in Italy. Nkita, I have seen video of Nkita sleeping with Nigerian girls in Italy. Some of us do not know that some Igbo men in Italy are sleeping with Italian men because of cent, because of €1, €2, €10. You know, they just have to do that to survive. You are talking about those who are the women sleeping with men. Some Nigerian women, if you are in Italy, you can confirm this. I've seen the video many times. They don't want to do that, but due to circumstance, they found themselves in. Our women in Italy have no option than to sleep with dog. You can imagine a human being sleeping with dog in Italy. You know, this is the state of Nigeria. And when you tell these people to come and fight against the murderous government of Nigeria, they can't do that. You'd rather sleep with dog instead of asking why Buhari is still the president of Nigeria, instead of asking why Willie Obiano is still the governor of Anambra, instead of asking why somebody like Ike Ekweremadu is still the senator. He's still a senator representing Enugu West. I don't know where we go from here. I don't just know. We need a headway. We need to have a direction as to where we go from here. It is too much. Let's go to Germany. Caller from Germany. Good morning.
Good morning, Okulora. No, Odekwana.
No.
Because actually meeting you no Kambaya Kreke. First of all, actually advice again, first of all, because of community, Facebook community, and against the rules and regulation on Facebook, and because of your platform not to be blocked, and Kanya happy day maybe no, only some videos here for, don't post it.
Yes.
Don't post it, please. It's an advice. Don't post it.
It's okay. It's okay.
You can just come around and talk about it. That don't want a video for, you know, and you talk about it. Be careful and don't post it.
It's okay.
And secondly, only even for that video now another blogger. But what I saw there is another story. I said that now the girl is a stripper, not a stripper on social media. One day I would fuya go made that thing. I would read na kuya if I had kuya. That no matter on Libya.
Libya. Happened in Libya.
Okay. Okay. So Injina again because that thing is very is against the community. And you wanted that video, please delete it because I'm talking from experience. Only some things you with on your phone. Control log for those things on your phone. They will think you have more and you are promoting it. And maybe you are even among people that did that. So only naturally currently mad in the comment section people's routine say that now this thing is against human rights and anybody having it should please report that video to a nearby police station because you might be in Africa, things are not working like you are in the Western world. Yes. I'm just to post to Roya a video of a minor, a man in sex. Post to Roya the thing. Instead of him to report that video, post to quite another person. They came to that person's house, they traced it, and they came to that person's house and they seized all his devices.
Yes.
And they are investigating this matter. People should be guided. People should be guided. Or anything info on social media. It was send the be guided because they are tracing where this thing is coming from and they might trace it to your own side.
You're
because
right.
That is my contribution.
Thank you very much.
I'm just trying to advise people. And
you did well. You did well. Thank you very much. Caller from Germany. Thank you very, very much. I'll talk to our brother in Lagos, but calls are too many. I can't get to him. There is a vital information coming from his side. If our people can stop calling for a while, let's get the brother in Lagos. It's very, very important that we get to him, but calls are too much. I don't know how to bring him on again. Calls are too many. Our brother from Lagos, you need to continue to call. So yours will pop up and I will answer I want to call you back, but at this point, it is impossible due to too many calls coming. I can't pick yours. I can't call you back. I can't call you back. And it is a problem. I have to be forced to go elsewhere and make a call or take a call. Jesus Christ, I came very close, but no. There is a vital information coming from that brother. I want to call him. Others need to wait. If our people watching are going to stop calling for just 1 minute, there is a brother that is very critical that will bring on board. Please, stop calling for just 1 minute. It is very, very important. Please, our people should stop calling for just 1 minute. Please, I beg us in the name of God. Please, just 1 minute. Give me 1 minute to bring this brother, please. They are not allowing me, so there is nothing that I can do. Yeah, I think I've got him. Hello, brother. Good morning.
Yeah, Okurola, good morning.
Good morning, brother.
Hello, Tereta.
Odimma, thank you very much.
Okay, before.
Yes.
That message from your Facebook line this morning. I condemned the stuff.
Yes.
And I was highly provoked. And I in fact, that time to get that guy. But to go the thing, with the information that I had about Emeka, I think it should be this particular Emeka that I know. On a devil mind, on a go like a devil.
Yes.
When that guy said Emeka, that guy working from Libya saw Emeka. I'm thinking, I didn't give message. That Emeka is here to win. Because if it from that Eziama, from my house to Eziama is no less than 2-3 minutes drive. Understand? So when we the accent, now we hear this. I said it in that my message that this guy is from Mbano. If he's not from Mbano, he's from Isu local government because all of us want the same accent.
Yes.
Now, if it is that same Emeka, he has a house in Amuwodofe. The twin brother is late. That one died, I think, November or September last year. And for a long time now, this Emeka have not come back to Nigeria. But anything Arab world, the whole Arab world, or a gallant soldier there, yes. That's all strong.
Yes.
And he's very tall, very giant. So what I'm trying to say is this. Find out if it is that same Emeka. Get to me. I will link you to Eziama.
No problem. Our people in Libya are listening. Abu no only in Ekuna, they know because they know him. I don't know him. Our people in Libya will call and confirm. They say he's a thug. He's a militia.
Yes, that guy Emeka, that same guy Emeka on Arab, a very strong ally in Arab world. OBL Saudi, OBL Yemen, OBL Syria.
He's a terrorist. He's a terrorist.
Yes, all the whole Arab nation, or not English word, Arab nation. I think Abraham Egypt.
Sorry.
You understand me? But as I speak to you now, I'm his location because for a long time now, but I'm in Nigeria. I don't think anyone will be there now.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Our people in Libya are going to confirm.
Yes, let them confirm. Then you get back to me, please.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. The brother gave a vital information. It's not left for our people in Libya to know if this is the actual Emeka. We need to be very, very sure to avoid character assassination, to avoid pointing at the wrong person. And it has consequences. You can't point a wrong person in a case of this magnitude. Before you know it, actually, we need to be very, very sure. Caller from UK, good morning.
Yeah.
Please, thank you. Move away from your listening device. The broadcast is coming back. Switch it off or move away.
Yeah,
the mic. Odogwe Kenedrigi,
Yeah, my brother. I'm video this morning. I am in Aquabam. Can the buy she will be not like this. Can wicked in the buy the self now, no one kind of name. Could you get one nigga from the same language you fast to Kagane and Aso. Or not, Okagana, brother, Biko. In where do be that heart? Oh well, that Igbo language also. That Igbo language that girl also. You me talking no be give up that girl. ihe ọbụla ga-eme si to fish that guy out se mewe kịta na ngwa na-egbula oge.
First of all, we need to identify the right person. We need to know the right person so we don't make mistakes. But my major concern is how we can find the girl.
This this video have been going viral. Does it mean that when video when identify that particular girl
a lot of people are saying, but there is no way I can verify. I can't verify. If I have a very sensitive issue, you can imagine everybody be now post a picture more about color and all moment that thing. Some people might start swearing they put out from one of my family now. At the end, it might not be me. So my major concern now, this girl. This girl that is the only way, the safest way to verify. All this girl, I want to treat to say or sign the that is the best thing to do. Anybody can do that.
Somebody in Libya, they about the community. At least I can web ndị Igbo na at least try and fish out to get the head of at least when I country and ndị Igbo na ezukọta na ama ndị Igbo ama na ogbe ndị Igbo. At least me na bola 3 or 4 or 5 people. You must get low for information
yes.
So that is what you will do. Just all call na that Libya keta. At least I got man with some mafians, some Igbo mafians, and then they are what's up about this particular guy now really here. At least me na bola 2 or 3 or 5 people. I got one leg location here. I'm in Keta.
Yes.
So and this particular guy need to bring this guy self. Oh, now this guy, all the possible. This guy need to go down because when I want to be mad to leave. How can you do your sister this kind of a thing? So fast, so he consider that language. She was shouting, crying, brother Biko. Now to take, the same language with you. When my not your sister, not one mother, not pay henike. Now, which kind of wickedness be this now?
Thank you very much, brother. Thank you.
All the person for this guy said, my own self particularly, I will get him.
All of us are angry, but at this point we cannot verify. Nobody knows who the guy is. Sending pictures is not enough. How do we?
Just try to focus on that Libya. Call.
Thank you very much. They are watching.
Call from now to tomorrow. You get what information.
Thank you very much. Thank you, caller from UK. Thank you very much. Getting a picture, sending a picture is not enough. I've said it. I've made my position known. We should be looking for the girl first. But I wanted this girl to go on this girl. She is going to tell us any information on our part is authentic. That is the only way we can verify. You can say that it's this guy or deny. Yeah, it happens. The guy can deny. And they say that the guy is a militant. On all those things people on. But there is no way you can verify. Let's look for this girl and save her life first. When we save the girl's life, then we can then talk about the guy. We can talk about the guy after. But we need to save the girl first. From there, because it is very, very difficult. Her chance of surviving is very, very little. If she remained here in Libya, she might not survive it. Caller from Malaysia, good morning. Caller from Malaysia, good morning. Yes, good morning.
Morning. First of all, of course, go on that particular
Yes.
You can focus. Some people never. Most of some girls now the people very important. You save their own by case. They were kidnapped. Something. Verify good about the girl. The location of the girl. I'm a little bit girl. Then focus on my case. I am with the girl. Secure the girl. Go to one side. Then for the girls, then we got cause him.
That is simple. It's not enough to be sending picture on your maron or your
yeah. picture we send the one we ka see na onye ongodo na onwe ka nwa ji nke nwa ji igojua onya o confirm no picture nwa ya ma na onye o gosi picture bụ onye na achọ whatever then achọ alternative whatever that girl Nigeria whatever Nigeria go whatever then ijebezi be fabuzi achọzi ndị ji respect guy ajebe fabu na the guy only ha na their family whatever my own this e focus on na the girl nwe property onwe whatever ọbụna nwe ọrụ ụlọ whatever akwatu oni o ma na onwezi ọ na-agbalụ then there are people on water for me when you feel there are people may hang with camera the guy never when we take but you open the girl to see a man kidnapper you open the girl if the guy allow property what I get those things that you to that thing that then on was there born amazie ho na agbalụ ya na ọbụkọ na nke ya bigo then achọwazi ya na nwere onwe ya bụ ọnụ nkwanye nweta that place ya ike wele ke wele jeje eke nwudi ya wetago ya the penalty ya gata off here
yes
wetago
thank you very much short and precise caller from Malaysia. Where do we get the girl? How do we get the girl? Let's go to Libya and see. Caller from Libya, good morning. I don't know why calls from Libya are cutting. I don't know are there I don't know callers from Libya. Calls are not coming through. Let's go back to Libya and say, if you are going to calls from Libya having issues, I don't know what is happening in Libya. Something is obviously wrong with calls from Libya. Something is wrong. Something is obviously wrong somewhere. And we need to know. Brother from Libya, I don't know if you are there. Caller from Libya, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, Flora.
Good morning, Wanda.
Because if you go going before, so all information with ya can talk and all if and one the Marine platform.
Yes.
Yeah, good morning.
Move away from your listening device. Talk to your phone. Wait. Move away from your listening device. Talk to the phone, please.
I'm out. I'll come about the phone now.
Okay.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can. Go ahead.
So because if I tell you, first of all, I want to hear correction. I want to know Malaysia. Now, I told me you go to Yakon. I didn't know anything now. First of all those girls need a bar, not their bar. No one jacket, I want to do your more here when I this place. That will go to number one. Because sometimes how could I don't know? I talk and do, talk and believe. I will all go watch out who or my mama's a pino. More over two girls, very fine girls, Igbo girls. Give me my own the bill, but you get him near Marco. You see, I can't kiss the bill, but now. I said, no one day, I go down here. Ya jam what the woman knows. You might buy a say, Yaka, we are able now, we borrow. So, yeah, we actually did not buy again. Yeah, or what we are saying, can't travel, all those things. Confused to see the girls in Yamazo, even now, we as yourself. Ya go to an eye. Me, I was put the moment yourself. You got now?
Yes.
So, Yanuzi, no. Early morning, 4 o'clock, ya bulak be ya for junction every woman got ya. No, we not before we will leave there. Enjoy the other girl again. Can't kiss be over there. The same thing go. So nda they use rubble when they deceive those girls. You call Yamaka, one guy call when they put two blames on our girls. No, you don't have to blame them. This is not time to blame anybody because they are not coming here with their eyes. Another thing. Na problem we go to the girl. You can never set your eyes on this girl until you see this guy. Libya cannot. I know the Libya life. You can never set your eyes on that very girl until you put this guy. Wait for ya. How
do we get the guy? I am not in Libya. I mean, you are in Libya. Igbo community in Libya. We are holding you guys accountable. You should do something.
So if I'm not well now, and again, one woman about see send the number, get send in here. He happen that woman because I am here, but we go why they were no be ya. You know, now.
Yes.
One guy is in the Zaria, near for the guy. I get send them number. I can't call this guy. Come on here, solo. Can I get them at the street area for this guy? Can I show this guy? What here? You gotta go because in Kenya, na picture send in the best show. He are the show because more at the show. If you picture Buhari, if you picture Nnamdi Kanu, if you picture Meba, if you picture yours, or this same person can send their picture. So yeah, medicine. I was going to send them number that person from Libya that time here for the guy na one street.
After the program, I am going to tell the guy and I will send the number. I will tell him and I will send the number after the program.
I saw this guy.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I am going to take 2 or 3 more calls and then I'm going to end the program and know where we'll go from here. Calls are too much. Where do we go to? Should we go to the UK and see? Caller from UK, good morning.
Hello?
Brother Alex, na UK, good morning.
Yeah, Okulora, good morning.
Monday.
Yeah, because I want to eventually put 2 things. Even before going to send this video, more I forget this morning. I want a platform like yours, more about live broadcast because of this issue. This is one of our brother on our all the time from Stuttgart. Yes. Platform but go to that brother. Anytime on the Kuku, before they Kuku. You go there, so one year why came out they found then blame with the girl force or to find the people that did this thing to the girl. This girl about Libya, all because of the failure of governance in Nigeria. I know my way that place.
Yes.
So brother, because I forgot this video this morning, even before Kulora. Why don't you do a live video? Say your own opinion. I wonder how many people that will support you in this sort of view. I forgot the blame for this time. I'm going to target you help for this sister brother because the morning they cook you didn't want you check your neck. Oh, go Kula Hammer, you pay, but London be said. Oh, people they are very, very bad. It's London be so the Fulani of Igbo land. Don't say stuff like that, brother. Because Gahaga. Eventually, for this girl, because Florida, to try to where for this girl.
That is the problem now.
The third thing in Chori for the work. Every one guy from Lagos, all the Kadar boy, the vital information.
I've spoken with him and I'll call him after the program again.
Yeah, that guy because the vital information.
And the brother, another thing, I don't know whether there is Libyan embassy in Nigeria. Personally, I will go there. Kafanyera Ayaka catch this girl. I don't know.
We need to find this girl. Even if these people have this girl alive because the trauma and the situation, even now where I'm married, even now here in a private part, look at this girl. I'm shedding tears since morning, since 7 o'clock and around this floor, not to come for this. And over you, I come out by a good life broadcast since now for Igbo people all over the world, even in India, even in Libya where this thing happened, to see what we can do. Please.
It's a shame. Thank you very much, brother. I appreciate your call. Thank you very, very much. Our brother from UK. There is Libyan embassy in Nigeria. There is Libya embassy in Nigeria. Mark Okoyo are closed. Asokoro Abuja. Can somebody confirm those in Libya? Is there, sometimes you don't trust the information on Google. Our people in Libya, is there Libyan embassy in Abuja? Somebody need to confirm. Or somebody need to quickly go there. There is, according to Google, there is Libyan embassy at Mark Okoyo close. Asokoro Abuja. Libyan embassy in Abuja. And there is another address here. Embassy of Libya in Abuja is located at Roslyn Ukeje Close. Kiyari Mohammed Crescent off Justice Showemimo Street in Asokoro. I am seeing 2 different addresses pointing at Libyan embassy in Abuja. We need to be very sure. Somebody in Libya need to tell me if you have Libyan embassy in Abuja. Caller from Libya, good morning.
Hello, Kulora.
Good morning, brother.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
There's something I want to address. See that guy that's asking for the person number. Don't give him the number because this person it may be among the people that they are looking for.
I can only give somebody's number with the person's consent. Everybody will tell you.
We are here in Libya. We are here in Libya. We know how we manage to stay here. So here is like a terrorist country. That guy can mobilize the Libya people to go and assist the person that tell you that the guy is in his area. Don't try to give anybody that.
I know.
Very important. Because this issue now you are seeing now here is even hot. Everybody is trying to maintain his line because of this case. Understand what I'm saying? So what I want to tell now, people here, we have Igbo meeting here. We gather. We are trying to know exactly if the guy is the particular. Let nobody go and make a mistake. Because how can you go attack somebody where you are not sure if he's the person? That's why people are afraid to meet him when meet the person they are telling that you see in this area. Because you can't confront somebody if it doesn't confirm he's seen. But that person may not be him. So don't give anybody, that person that calling you, giving anybody, suspect that person. It may be among the people that do that thing. Seriously, I'm taking note from that thing.
Well, thank you very much. You've made your point. Very, very sound, short, precise, and brilliant. Thank you very much. We are also going to seek the help of Libyan embassy in Abuja. We are going to send this video to Libyan embassy in Abuja, all of us. We are going to do that, and we are going to do that as soon as possible. We are not seeking the guy. What we are going to apply at Libyan embassy Abuja, Asokoro Abuja, we are going to apply for whereabouts of this girl. When we have this girl in our custody, on our side, we are then going to ask our questions. How did you get to Libya? Who is that guy? What happened? What transpired? And then we know where we'll go from there. We are going to go to Libyan embassy in Abuja. It is very, very important that we take all the measures, all extreme measures. We are going to stretch beyond limit to see if there is a way somehow we can save our sister before something worse than what had already happened will happen to her. And all of us are going to regret if that is the case, and we are not going to allow that to happen. Hello, good morning.
Hi.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hi. I'm calling you from Lagos. I've been on the video.
Thank you very much. Go ahead.
I sent you something on this WhatsApp right now.
I will check.
Please, this woman, commissioner for Nigerians in diaspora, Madam Adebike on Twitter, can you please send her an email?
It's okay.
So that she can please get this girl back.
It's okay.
With her office, she can get this girl back.
I will do that.
Wherever it is. She has been doing that. I think she can do this.
Thank you very much.
Then the rest of you guys can start looking for the girl. But that girl is very important to me. I can house her. If she doesn't have a place to stay, I can house her for now.
Thank you very much.
But please, let's just get her home. Please.
Thank you very much. God bless you. A sister in Lagos said she sent me information of our people. Commissioner of Nigerians in diaspora. I'm going to send her email, but we're not going to put all our eggs in one basket. We are going to be using our people in Libya to search. We are also going to go to Nigerian embassy in Libya. And of course, we are going to contact the commissioner of our people in diaspora and see where the Messiah, the Redeemer, the Savior is going to come from. We need to react. We need to continue to react. And when we achieve success, when we see success, we can then blame our people. We can then blame them for going to Libya. But this is not time for regret. This is not time to play hide and seek. This is time to be focal. This is time to stand by what is right and stand by that until the end. Caller from Spain, good morning. Thank you very much.
Okay, enwere m chọrọ ikwu ya eshim Spain na-akpọ. Ihe a na-eme kịta akwa ka m na-ebe ihe a ịghọtara duto ihe mere nwa adị ihe ọzọ a na-asụ ihe a n'asụsụ oyibo ọ na-adị ka na-apịa m ụtalị because ndị mba ọzọ na-anụcha ihe a ọ na-ewute m ihe a imechi ihu ndị obodo anyị ndị Igbo anyị biko anyị na-ekwutu n'okwu a ka anyị were n'okwu Igbo because ebe m nọ ndị etiti ndị na-emebu ihe a adị ha nwa na-amụzi anya amụ a na-amụzi anya amụ na ọzọ anyị nwa na-emezi ya so a na-asụ ya n'oyibo ọ na-adị ka na-apịa m ụtalị ịghọtara biko ka anyị wetuo unu na-asụ ya n'okwu Igbo anyị ịghọtara biko ọ na-ewute m biko.
Thank you very much. Onye ọma na Spain ọsọ anyị so baba anyị ife okwu dị mma so ka anyị sorokwa ba anyị na-aga nke kwere onye ọsụsụ ya sụọ but onye ọbụla so baba anyị o nwanne anyị nọ na Spain si na ife a na-ewutezi too much na ọ na-eme ya ifere so ka anyị na-asụ ba anyị o. Hello nne, good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma ka m sụwa ba anyị onye na-akpọ from Italy enwe onye na-akpọ site na mba Italy ụtụtụ ọma ana m asụzi ba anyị kịta ana m asụ Igbo.
Okwuluọra nke o kwuru ekene m ụnụ ekene m ndị Igbo na-ege ntị
ekene dịrị gị
ekwere m na nke o kwuru a sị na agwọ apịa nwata ụtarị ịmasị ya ebe na-akwa so ị ga-asụ ya n'Igbo sụọ ya na English so that ndị ọbụla na-eme ya ha kwụsị the disease from it. Yesterday oge watch onye send them this oge watch chara obi gbawa m nsi na ihe a bụ ihe ndị etiti na-eme. They have been doing this thing for a very long time. Ọ bụrụ tata ka ihe a bido na ndị be anyị amụgoro ya and ndị be anyị mụọrọ ya ha mụọrọ ya. Especially I keep on saying it. Ị mara abịa sị na a na-enweta ka eme Biafra ka eme Biafra. Enwere a lot of people na-eji ha ji iwe n'ọnụma na-eme ihe Biafra. Ihe a bụrụ this is not the way to go. M gwara na aka ga-egbu onwe anyị ma enweta Biafra because this is not the way to get Biafra.
Ekweterekwa nwanne onwere ihe gbasatalụ Biafra na ife a ndị a na-eme. Ọ Naijiria ka na Naijiria dị mere ndị niile a ji gba ọsọ. Ọ bụrụ na Chukwu nye anyị Biafra ahazie Biafra ọfụma ka ife anyị na-eje na Libya ime. Ọ Naijiria mere ndị a ife ọ bụrụ Biafra ma ife. So nwere ife jikọta Biafra na ife a.
Okwuruọra na tawadịa na ihe mere asị na onye ihe afụrụ na-achị ka onye ara. A lot of our people ihe mere ma ndị elders eji achọghị sọpọtụ otu esi eje for ihe Biafra abụrụ ka esi eje. Nwanne abụgo m a community leader but I tell people this is not the way to go. Ihe anyị na-achọ bụ ka enweta how do ebe onye Enugu na onye Anambra ama ntukwu kwukọrịta chere ka m bịa Okwuruọra chere ka m bịa cut na m off. Onye Imo steeti na onye Enugu ama nọ nkwuo ọ chọghị ihe ọ ga-ekwu ahịa kwụba onwe anyị n'anya. They say love start from the love.
Nwanne ka anyị kpanụ nkata nwanne na nwanne isi na onye Enugu na onye Anambra ama mkpanwu nkata mana mana gị na-akpa nkata na o nwere ife gbasatalụ Biafra geenụ ntị ka anyị kpaa nkata ikwuo nkwuo anyị na-akparịta ụbụbọ. O nwere ife gbasatalụ Biafra na ife a na-eme kịta even ka a na-eme program ewere ọkụ mmanye jee gbaa jenaretọ wee batakwa obere oge na fuel gwụ. Ọ bụ Biafra mere ya ndị na-achị Naijiria. O nwere ife gbasatara Biafra n'ife a. Nwanne anyị nọ na Libya nke nwaanyị akụrụ ife apịara ife n'ife o ji amụ nwa n'ife o ji anyụ mamịrị ka anyị na-achọ ka a ga-esi wee nweta. Ọ bụ ị ga-eji ma na ndị Igbo bụ ndị Igbo achọta dis deal kịta sno 5 million naira ka a ga-eji kpọta ya. Oge a ka ị ga-ama na Igbo bụ Igbo a ga-atụda mọnị kịta bụrụ na o nwere ebe ife ọjọọ adịrọ mana ife isi ike nwanne ọlụ adịrọ n'obodo a bụ Naijiria. Ụzọ adịrọ, ọkụ adịrọ, skuulu dị mma adịrọ, ụlọọgwụ dị mma adịrọ. Ọ bụ Biafra kpata ya. Ndị niile a na-achị Biafra na-eme ife ndị Awụsa chọrọ ka anyị wepụ Biafra n'okwu a ka anyị rapụ n'azụ mbọsị a ga-ekwu maka Biafra ekwuo. Ife a na-ekwu na abụ nwa anọ na Libya ka a ga-esi chọta ya zinata ya be anyị ka enyere ya aka.
Oke ihe i kwuru dị mma mana a sị na anyị kọma dọrọ n'ọgbọ because na ka a na-achọkwa nke a ka a na-achọ nke a. I need I like what you are doing because you may use a educate some of our brother no in diaspora. Mana sometimes ọ na-adị mma ka ekwu nke bụ eziokwu because so many of the things na-eme abroad because of the government. Forget about government. I tell anybody if you continue blaming people that is in Abuja that you yourself are a fool. Ebe a nọ n'obodo oyibo enwere ihe a na-akpọ community unions ndị onye ọbụla belong. If something happen to you enwere onye na-represent gị ga-eje kwuezie ya na Abuja but you people have to do your own like ihe America anụa Igbo community ihe m ga-ayọ gị ka ị chọwa bụ chọwa si ha wetara gị Igbo community nọmba na Libya n'ebe a ọ bụrụ na ọ na Tripoli amara m ebe ihe a mee mana ebe ahụ ume they are the ones to get it. Ihe a na-akpọ kọl anaghị onye kpọọ kọl ọkọkọ osi bịa n'ọnụ ọkọkọ osi wee bịa aganube m Libya mana ihe m na-agwa gị if you want to get to root of this thing kpọọ kọl otu a na-ekwu ya ha na-anụ ihe m na-ekwu onye nọ na Igbo community na Libya there ya weta nọmba their president or any member of the Igbo community there and give to you they will get to it. Oles ma chọrọ ije na-akpọ ndị n'ọrụ onwe anyị taa onwego the lady si gị weta na-esend goro kọmishọna diaspora na ndị ọrụ dị ha n'aka juru eju sef but if you want to get it as ndị Igbo ihe anyị need na bụ go straight ask ndị si onye ọbụla ji Igbo president na Libya ya nye gị the number ya send ya gị the number call the person you will get the root of it.
Thank you very much.
Ekwugo m Igbo ndị Igbo na-ege ntị ekene m unu.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. No, ife a bụrụ oge bụ onye kwuo asị ya pụọ ma akọ adị m akọ ọtọ mmadụ akụzielu gị o nwere ife gbasatala ife a na-eme na Biafra mara m ife broda ji wee na-ebukọ Biafra n'ọrụ onwe ya na ife a na-eme so ọ dị mma ọnụ anyị si wee tụzieli ya mazieli ya nọ n'idi ịchụpụ ya achụpụ a sị m sụ Igbo ka ntaba Igbo amụ m na Anambra abụ m nwa otu ebebe Enugu na enwere m asent enwe ndị na-achọ ka nne asandụ like Rosemary Church, Aisha Sase, Becky Anderson, Richard Quest na Pedro Pinto abụ m onye Igbo ka m na-ata ife a adị m asụsụ oyibo ụmụnne na-asị na m na I want to always show that na m asụ oyibo onye Igbo ka m bụ ka m take n'Igbo ife ọ ga-apụta ya pụta Igbo ka m na-asụ ka anyị jee Belgium o nwere mọmị anyị nne anyị na-akpọ from obodo Belgium Mommy Joy na Belgium good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Biko Okwara, biko achọrọ m ịjụ this our sister Afia Gatistin gịnị ka o mere biko?
Mami o nwee ndị be anyị o nwee ndị Igbo gbaa wikend na-abịa bata n'ala Igbo akpọrọ ụmụ nwaanyị ka ha jee na-agba ashawo na-akwụ ha ụgwọ enwe ike asị gị akpọtago obodo Igbo asị na ị ga-agbakọta ashawo kwụọ ha $20,000 a sị na the girl je enwetazi enyi nwoke di na awite enyi ya nwoke bata ọkwụrọ the guy ụgwọ ọ na-esi eme ndị na-agba ha ya purchase ịgbasi ya kwuo onye nwe moto ma onye nwe keke ụgwọ a sị na the girl akwụrụ ụgwọ that day nọ ka ha ji wee kobe ya ife si na ọtụ ahụ o ji wee na-edina wite ndị mmadụ na a ga-emelu ya arụ.
Okwara nwanne m ị hụrụ ihe a sịra that girl ị ma na somebody sent them this thing yesterday night I could not sleep.
Yes.
ị ma na ụmụnne anyị tajiri this girl ihe na-apịa na-awụnye mmiri na-apịa ya sie ya mepọtụ ya mepọtụ gị wickedness ndị Igbo hapụ na wickedness ka wickedness hapụgo unu Okwara ihe na-eme anyị shi anyị n'aka ndị Igbo dị wicked. I'm sorry to anybody that is watching my voice right now is Mommy Joy. We are wicked. We are the cause of our problems. Ihe niile na-eme ndị Igbo shi anyị n'aka ihe na-eme anyị shi anyị n'aka shi anyị n'aka shi anyị n'aka ihe na-eme anyị shi anyị n'aka onye atala chupụta ndị Igbo na-atazile Chineke ụta maka ihe niile na-eme anyị n'aka anyị ka o si ahụrụ m this girl Okwara my brother but no matter ihe this girl mere he put this girl nakedness like this so if this girl a na-apịa na-awụ ya mmiri na ahụ na-apịa ofu onye were ihe wee kwashie ya ọnụ ebe ọ na-eyi ụja wee kwashie ya ọnụ wee pịa this girl pịacha they will never go unpunished in the name of Jesus. Nina arrest in the name of Jesus. Monye jidere n'aka jidere n'ukwu ma onye kepịrị aka ma onye kepịrị this girl ihe ebuchiri wee pụta ụwa because onye ọbụla nọ n'elu ụwa nwaanyị mụrụ ya ndị niile mere this girl ihe Chineke ga punish you ebi n'aha Jesus.
Mommy Joy, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Our women globally are crying. Ụmụ nwaanyị Igbo a na-ebe akwa na-asụ ude ha na-ajụ isi ka ebe anyị ga-esi ebe a wee jee ka ife anyị ga-eme na-arịrị akarịa ka anyị jee na mba Australia mara onye na-akpọ nwanne. Good afternoon.
Hello, Okwara.
Efifi ọma nwanne m na mba Australia. Efifi ọma udo dịrị gị.
Nna m udo dịrị gị nwanne m.
Thank you.
Ana m ele anya otu m ga-esi kwụsị Facebook m ji watch bogo before. Mana ọ na-ahịa m ahụ.
Ana m anụ ife ị na-ekwu ụwa niile na-ege gị ntị nwanne na-ekwu ka ha na-ege.
Nna m ihe madam a kwuru wee eziokwu and ihe broda nke a kwuru wee eziokwu ka anyị na-agwa na onwe anyị eziokwu Igbo kpọrọ onwe anyị ashị Igbo ahụhụ onwe anyị n'anya okwu na anị na-abụghị okwu na-amaghị eji aga ọkaigwe ọ bụ otu ahụ ka o siri wee gbasa na a na-ekwu okwu Biafra onye anyị niile chọrọ freedom anyị niile chọrọ ebe ọ ga-eshidere anyị mma mana awọchiri m that video my brother awọchichara m that video ehi nwa ụra eziokwu ihe a bụ ihe anyị na-eme onwe ihe a bụkwa sọsọ nke anyị hụrụ anya mana ihe ha ka na-eme ma ndị ukwu ma ndị nta ihe ha ka na-eme na nzuzo kakwa njọ kakwa nke na anyị na ọkakwa nke na anyị hụrụ anya eme asị na ndị Hausa na-eme anyị ndị Hausa na-eme anyị enweghị onye dị nsọpọt na a na-egbu ndụbe anyị mana ọkwa anyị nwake onwe anyị onye ọka agụ na-eri ejide aka n'ọkụ ndụbe anyị kwesịrị ichekwa onwe ha ndụbe anyị chekwa n'onwe ha lee ndị nwanne ga-abụ ndị ukwu ga-abụ ndị nwere ego ga-abụ ndị Biafra ọ bụ anyị zọta ndị Biafra na anyị chụpụrụ mmadụ dịka Rochas ha na ndị isi ukwu anụ bịara n'ọchịchị ụzọ
anyị ga-achụpụ fa
anyị nwere nnukwute homework to do anyị nwere nnukwute brain development anyị nwere nnukwute brain development ime our people we have so much clean up to do and o nwekwara ike anyị mechaa clean up a na Nigeria abịatọba ha anyị ụtọ o nwere ike imecha clean up a na hụ na ihe na-eme anyị isi anyị n'aka hụ na obodo Nigeria anyị aha dịkwa ụtọ mana anyị anaghị echekwa onwe anyị echekwa ndị agha kwesịrị ị na-ekwutere anyị anaghị ekwutere anyị Leanụ Buhari na-ama ha ihe ka ndị be anyị asị na ha ama ihe bịara hapụga ya lee ha dagburu di ya na-eri ha na-eme ha egwu. Ọ bụrụ na ndị be anyị ma ihe na-echekwa onwe ha ele otu enwedịghị ọgụ enwe onye ga-ahapụ abata be anyị were egbe na-agbagbu isi ndị be anyị ha agbachie ya nkịtị. Ndị isi ukwu ahụ ị na-ele dị agbachie ya nkịtị. Anyị nwere nnukwu ihe ka dịara anyị ime. Echi m Naijiria ka abata ibe na aka nọ m na kwarantin. Ihe a na-emebe anyị na-agba anya mmiri. Ihe na-emebe anyị na-agba anya mmiri. Ihe anyị nwa na-eme onwe anyị n'ihi ịhụnanya ego.
Ama m ihe ị na-ekwu dadị mana o nwere ebe onye ọbụla bụ onye ọma. O nwere mba ị ga-eje n'ụwa onye ọbụla na-adị eburu onye ọma. A step at a time.
Ihe ọjọọ. Enwere mgbe ịdị na-ekwuba okwu, enwere mgbe m dị na-egemeghe ntị gị na-asị na mentality ndị be anyị ka dị very very bad. Ahụrụ m onwe nke m wọchiri nga Rochas wee kpọrọ nwa mmadụ na-agwa the man na woman na ha agaghị ahụkwa nwa ha anya till ya nwa decide because na ọ chọrọ inyere nwa ha aka ya were 100,000 nye ha na-akpọrọ ya isi ala na-ehicha shoe ya na-arasa shoe ya.
Poverty.
Ịhụ na ndị be anyị still gị hụkwa na ndị igwe mmadụ gbakọrọ na-eto ya kakwa nkụ ha karịkwara ahụ nọrọ na-eto ya. Ndị Hausa hụrụ ego n'anya mana ndị Hausa ahụ ego n'anya ruo otu nke anya. Ndị Hausa agaghị ekwo n'ihi ego ree nwanne ha. Ọ ihe a na-ekwu okwu ọ bụghị na enweghị ebe ihe ọjọọ na-adịghị. Ndị ọcha agaghị ekwo n'ihi ego ree nwanne ha otu o siri dị na be anyị.
Ọ ga-adị mma.
Ndị nwere ego were ya ndị nwere ego were ya na-akpali ndị ahụ na-enweghị enwe ha were obi wee na-agbụwa ha. Onye nwee ego ya nọgide ike ya nọrọ ya dị. Okay, mgbe akpọkọtara gị enyere m gị 200 missed calls but you're too busy. Nke a na-ekwu gbasara nke sorry agaghị m atụbata ihe a obere. Nke a na-ekwu gbasara ihe Fada Mbaka so na onye tere mmanụ. Anyị ga na-agwakwana nwa ya eziokwu. Anyị neediri crowd ya all businessman ka ọ bụ but the crowd ya bụ ihe Biafra neediri to grow. That is the only thing. Gụnwa bụ very smart guy. Ọ ihe mere ijiri nye ya that room ka ndị ukwu ndị ọzọ were hụ that room were bata. But ị na-agwa onwe anyị eziokwu ọ bụ onye oshi ka ọ bụ a businessman. Ọ bụ a businessman. Onye na-achụ ego like that a businessman ke assurance anyị nwere na ụdị onye ahụ agaghị ere anyị ma mgbe oge ya ruo. Ọ gaburu Buhari ọ bụ ọma ha ihe mgbe o ji mara na Buhari nwanne m nwoke na-enweghị onye ọma my elder brother gwara m mgbe Buhari na-aba ọchịchị ka ọ gwara m na Buhari na-aba ka o take all revenge out of our people. I will never forget that talk. That he is going there to take a revenge. That the Nigeria ihe ga-apụta na Nigeria awụghị ofu ihe. My brother ma otu aha ma onye kpọkọrọ ndị mmadụ onye a na-akpọ onye tere mmanụ ha dịka this man ahụhụ ụzọ were hụ na onye aha na-aba ọchịchị aha na ọwụ revenge ka ọ na-aga itek. Ka anyị gwa na onwe anyị eziokwu I need the crowd ya but even lekwa enwekwara few things kwa m chọrọ ịkpọga aha. A na-ekwu okwu Biafra abụghị sọsọ ndị Igbo nwe ya. Onye ọbụla na-ekwu na Biafra bụ ndị Igbo Biafra ndị Igbo na-elu uzuso igwebe ike.
Daddy ife m achọrọ ka emee n'ogo dị otu a bụ ka anyị na-apụzi n'ife anyị na-ekwu maka ya tata. Mbọsị anyị ga-ekwu maka Biafra ọ bụgodị na ị na-ekwujọ Biafra mma arapụ gị ị na-ekwunyere Biafra mma arapụ ka ha na-ekwu ọ na-amụta ife a sị na ikwu amarọ ibezi ya mana tata ife anyị na-ekwu bụ nwanne anyị nwaanyị nọ na Libya ya ma na ọ dị ndụ mụ nwa na onwe m achọrọ m ife aga na-ekwu na ka a ga-esi mee ọ bụrụ na o nwe sọpọtụ a ga-enye m ma sọpọtụ meweta somewhere ka njebe Libyan embassy na Abuja ka nje m chọrọ ije Libyan embassy ka nje submit a petition ma na onwe aka embassy Libya ga-enye ndị na-achọ ndị a na-achọ ọ ife nchọ ka ime kịta a na-egbu oge enwe ike nwa anwụọ and ọ ga-ewute anyị oge anyị ga-ekwu maka Biafra even Biafra eluo na Biafra referendum kịta ị nwere right ivotu no na ị chọrọ all your right mana my right ịbịa gwa gị na reason ị ga-eji vote yes I dey civil I democratic in nature. So because Daddy, thank you very much. Oh, thank you. You've made your point. I love that. Thank you very much. It's okay. It's okay. And what I get maybe Biafra debate. We can put on one mistake. It was Kuzielu Moto. We couldn't nke m na-ekwu nkwu mota. I have run the bandits. I had that baby. Oh, mota. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. Let's go to South Korea and see who is there. One in South Korea. Good afternoon, brother. Hello, good afternoon. Caller from South Korea, if you are there. I don't know. I want people to call and tell me what we are going. How do we go to Abuja? I mean, how do we go to Abuja? You know, any the will video with Jello or Libyan consular general or Libyan ambassador. We need to take it to the embassy, and I volunteered to go. Okay, I get support. And we game. I don't want to support again. I will push everything that I'm doing. Find a way to go. We can talk about Biafra, but today we are talking about Libya. Libya is the topic. Everything should center on Libya. Caller from South Korea, good afternoon.
Hey, Okurara worldwide.
Onyamana Korea, good afternoon. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You know,
thank you. Thank you.
Because the video, as you were saying, what I want to suggest is that all of us that are from the Biafra, from Igbos, all of us, Igbo said,
yes.
So anything at all we can do to bring this girl back. You know, some people say things out of point. The fact is that Nigeria is not good. That is why you see us scattered all over the world, because we don't have a place of our own for now. You know, so if there is any way you can consult the not just Igbo community, because it is still, it could be the people that is in charge of this same Igbo community that sold this girl out.
Yes.
So, but my own opinion is that if there is a way that we could reach, or we could reach the Nigerian embassy in Libya, and also Libyan embassy in Nigeria,
yes,
also foreign affairs ministers from Nigeria, so that this should be a national issue. Yes. Like I saw our people in Ghana locked up in a place, open place. You know, the way they treat us is not the way human beings should be treated to. You understand?
Yes.
So if there is a way we can, as people, they said if you don't have people, you make use of yourself.
Yes.
There is no way Hausa man will speak for an Igbo person. There is no way Yoruba will stand for us.
Yes.
Within us, we should stand for this girl. I'm living in abroad, so I know how it is. I know how it is. They look at us as if we are not human beings. No. So it was out of hardship that pushed this girl away. Let me tell you, some of them that are travelers, it's not what they had. It's not what they see where they are. The story could be very beautiful. Just come, this, that. But when they get there, you know that you already been sold out. You can't go back. Some of them, their passports could be taken away from them. They may be subject in a condition that they don't even have access to go back. You don't even have access to phone. You understand? So when we blame ourselves, we blame also we, because it could be somebody from the East or somebody from Nigeria as well that went and the girl. Come to Libya, and Libya you may go to Spain. Getting to Libya, you stuck there. You understand?
Yes.
So if there is a way, like I'm using this opportunity to call our Biafran brothers and sisters that are living in Abuja, I also call the place governors, because this is what they're supposed to step up. Those ones that call themselves our leader, that's why we don't have leaders. The only two leaders we have as Igbo as a whole is only Mazina Dikano and Abaribe. That's the only two people I saw as our leader.
Yes.
You understand? Let people rise up. Governors, my God, could you imagine in this South Korea here, they paid us almost like $100, some pay up to $300 to just tell us, say, sorry for inconveniences of coronavirus. Government pay us money. non-indigenous. You understand? You
Yes.
have rights. As long as you have paper, you have rights like an indigenous. But in Nigeria, in our own land, we don't even have rights.
At all.
So please, not to take your...
Thank you very much. Thank you
much
very
of your
much.
time.
Thank you very much. Caller from South Korea. Thank you very much.
Right now.
Thank you very much. This is where I will be wrapping up today. And I'm still waiting for some verifications. I need to do some verifications to see where we go from here. Sorry if I'm unable to take your call. Calls are too many and it's past 12 already. I have so many things to do today. And as soon as I get substantial information, certified or verified information, I'll go to the embassy of Libya in Asokoro, in Abuja. Thank you very much. And wherever you're watching from, God bless. And I'm going to see you soon. Thank you very much.